Hi, I'm Ray, one of Bosch's product experts. And this is the Unlimited 7 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. It's an award-winning vacuum cleaner too, as it has a Which Best Buy. It comes with 2 batteries, which give you a combined runtime of up to 80 minutes. With the quick charger included, each battery only takes 71 minutes to charge, giving you plenty of time and flexibility to clean your home to perfection. And thanks to our Power for All battery system, you can interchange the battery across a number of other appliances. It's also super versatile thanks to the Flex Tube. Just press the release button here and the tube will bend at a 90-degree angle for effortless cleaning under low furniture such as sofas and chairs. You'll experience an excellent cleaning performance thanks to the all-floor dynamic power brush. It features a motorized brush that picks up 99.9% of dust for a spotless finish. And it has LED lights built in, so when you're tackling dark corners, you'll have the perfect view of everything in your path. You'll be pleased to know there's an anti-hair tangle feature. The specially designed cleaner head has a large brush diameter, which, when combined with the model's powerful suction, helps you pick up more hair from your carpets and hard floors. Speaking of different floor types, you don't have to worry about changing any settings as you move between rooms. Its auto-detect feature automatically senses the type of floor surface being cleaned and adjusts the power settings accordingly, saving you lots of time and effort. If you press the head foot release here, you can quickly and easily separate the tube from the cleaning head to switch to spot cleaning in an instant. The end of the tube is also angled, providing a built-in crevice tool, which means you don't have to keep bending down to remove the nozzle. And when you do need to pause, to answer the phone for example, you can safely secure the vacuum to the edge of your furniture, such as a chair or countertop, with the easy parking clip. Meanwhile, the vacuum will stay in place until you return. Accessories-wise, you're spoilt for choice, with a short crevice nozzle for tricky corners, a long and flexible crevice nozzle for reaching narrow spots, and a 2-in-1 furniture brush and upholstery nozzle for blinds, cushions, and sofas. Finally, once you finish cleaning, you can pop everything away on the wall-mounted docking station that comes included. It doubles up as a charging point and accessory storage for a neat and tidy finish. If you're looking for a cordless vacuum cleaner that's been designed to offer optimum cleaning performance with practical features, the Unlimited 7 is the perfect choice.